Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unmute a group on WhatsApp using the desktop app. If you've muted a group and want to start receiving notifications again, don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to your chats. Once the app is open, locate the group you previously muted. You can find it in your chat list on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, right-click on the muted group. A menu will appear with several options for managing the group settings. From this menu, select the mute option. Don't worry, this step is necessary to access the unmute feature. Now, within the mute menu, you'll see an option labeled Unmute. Click on it, and just like that, your group notifications will be restored. You'll now start receiving alerts whenever new messages are sent in that group. And there you have it. Unmuting a group on WhatsApp for PC is as simple as 4 easy steps. Open WhatsApp, find the muted group, right-click on it, and choose Unmute from the mute menu. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.